Hello and welcome back to Humans and Society. This video focuses on the topic Structural Functionalism under the subject Disciplines and Ideas in the Social Sciences. There are dominant approaches and ideas used in the scientific study of society. These approaches offer various ways of looking at society and also offer various ways of explaining the things that are happening in it. These approaches also serve as guides or frameworks in doing research in the social sciences. Structural functionalism is a dominant approach in social science that sees society as a complex system whose parts work together to promote solidarity and stability. It is more concerned with the place of individuals in the social order than with their individual actions. The following people are key figures in the formation of the structural functionalism approach. Emil Durkheim, whose work, The Division of Labor in Society, formed the foundation of the structural functionalism approach. Bronislaw Malinowski, who talked about cultural practices that have psychological and physiological functions. A.R. Radcliffe-Brown, who wrote A Natural Science of Society, which talked about social structure and the functions of social institutions. Talcott Parsons and his idea about homeostasis, Herbert Spencer on social equilibrium, and Robert Merton on the manifest and latent functions.
Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Comment below for topics you would like to be discussed in future videos.
The first key concept in structural functionalism are the social institutions. Social institutions are like parts of the body that function together in a larger system. Each institution, like the family, church, government, business, has a function that fits together with other institutions. The next key concept is social structure, which are the patterned social relations people have with each other, each with their own social roles. Social functions are the effects of the operation of society. There are two types of social functions: manifest functions, which are the intended functions, and latent functions, which are unintended functions. Social dysfunctions are disruptions in social life. Expected disruptions are manifest dysfunctions, while unexpected disruptions are latent dysfunctions. Homeostasis is the self-regulating process by which the system can maintain internal stability while adjusting to changing external conditions. Social equilibrium happens when there is stability in society. The goal of social structure and social functions is social equilibrium. The theory of structural functionalism has its strengths. For example, the general agreement on the values and norms by the majority helps keep order and harmony in society. It makes people accept their roles in society. The belief that the integrated parts are bound together makes each social structure do its best to keep functioning properly so as not to have a negative effect on the general society. And it seeks stability and avoids conflict by supporting the status quo and maintaining the social order. However, the theory also has its weaknesses. For example, due to its focus on integration and consensus, it is wary of social change and thus ignores independence and conflict. It views society as static, thus propagating and strengthening the social hierarchy by maintaining the status quo. It ignores inequality because it accepts the existing social structures and social roles as integral to the functioning of society. It considers individuals as puppets with no agency because of the social roles they need to fulfill. As a macro theory, structural functionalism looks at how all structures and institutions in society work together to promote solidarity and stability. The ideas discussed in this video are based on the content standards of the Department of Education. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.